Welcome to my channel. The Insights. Tsunami. What is tsunami? A tsunami is a series of ocean waves with very long wavelengths, typically hundreds of kilometers, caused by large-scale disturbances of the ocean, such as underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, glacier calvings. Tsunamis can travel across the ocean and can cause widespread damage when they flood coastlines. The height of a tsunami wave can vary greatly, ranging from barely noticeable to over 30 meters. It's important for coastal communities to understand the potential threat of tsunamis and to have evacuation plans in place in case of a warning. If you live in a coastal area, it's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the natural warning signs of a tsunami, such as a noticeable drop in ocean level, and to understand the appropriate actions to take in the event of a tsunami warning. Tsunamis can cause devastating effects on coastal communities, particularly in low-lying areas where the waves can penetrate far inland. The energy of a tsunami can cause damage to buildings, infrastructure, and homes, and can also cause flooding and erosion of coastlines. Tsunamis can also have a significant impact on marine ecosystems and wildlife. The speed of a tsunami depends on the depth of the water through which it is traveling. In deep ocean waters, tsunamis can travel at speeds of up to 800 km per hour, making them difficult to detect and predict. However, as a tsunami approaches shallow water and approaches the coastline, its speed slows down and its height increases, often resulting in a large wave crest that can cause significant damage. Tsunami warnings are issued by government agencies and emergency management organizations, often based on seismic data from earthquake monitoring stations. In some cases, early warning systems may use buoy data and other monitoring technologies to detect the arrival of a tsunami. One of the deadliest tsunamis in recent history occurred on December 26, 2004, when a 9.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Sumatra in Indonesia triggered a massive tsunami that devastated coastal communities across the Indian Ocean. The disaster claimed over 230,000 lives and caused billions of dollars in damage. Since then, efforts have been made to improve early warning systems and emergency preparedness in coastal communities around the world. Tsunamis can have different characteristics depending on the cause and other factors. Here are some additional details about tsunamis. Causes: tsunamis are most commonly caused by earthquakes, but they can also be triggered by volcanic eruptions, landslides, or meteor impacts. Wave height and speed: the height and speed of a tsunami depend on a number of factors, including the depth of the water, the strength of the initial disturbance, and the distance from the source of the tsunami to the shore. Tsunamis can range in size from small waves that are barely noticeable to huge waves that can reach tens of meters in height. Distance traveled: tsunamis can travel across entire ocean basins, taking several hours or even a day or more to reach distant shores. In some cases, multiple waves can be generated by a single event, causing ongoing danger for several hours after the initial disturbance. Warning systems: many coastal areas around the world have established tsunami warning systems that rely on seismic monitoring, buoys, and other technologies to detect and predict the arrival of tsunamis. These systems can provide early warnings to coastal communities, giving people time to evacuate to higher ground before the waves arrive. In addition to the immediate impacts, tsunamis can also have long-term effects on the environment, such as altering shorelines and damaging marine ecosystems. Preparedness: preparedness is key to reducing the impact of tsunamis on coastal communities. This can include developing evacuation plans, educating people about the warning signs of a tsunami, and establishing emergency response protocols. Coastal communities can also take steps to reduce the risk of damage from tsunamis, such as building seawalls or relocating homes and infrastructure away from low-lying areas. Thanks for watching my video.